Are you searching for the best motorcycle raincoat to keep you dry and comfortable on your rides? If so, you've landed in the perfect spot. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 motorcycle raincoats designed to offer superior protection against the elements. From waterproof materials to reflective features, we'll break down why these products are must-haves for any rider caught in the rain. Whether you're commuting or adventuring, having the right raincoat is essential for safety, comfort, and durability. We've done the hard work for you, spending hours researching and reviewing hundreds of raincoats so you don't have to. In this video, we'll reveal the ultimate options for riders, covering the features, benefits, and even some downsides of each product. Stick around, and don't forget to check the links in the description to find these products, and make your ride rain ready today. Number 5. West Biking Cycling Raincoat Waterproof, Windproof, Reflective Jacket and Pants. This raincoat from West Bikings is perfect for cyclists and motorcyclists alike. Made from 100% polyester fiber, it's lightweight, breathable, and provides excellent windproof and waterproof protection. The reflective detailing ensures added safety during low light conditions, making it an excellent choice for night rides. With sizes ranging from S to 4XL and colors like black and fluorescent green, it's designed to fit comfortably and stylishly. Pros: lightweight, reflective, for safety, waterproof and windproof. Calm, limited color options, slightly thin for colder conditions. Number 4. SULAITE Motorcycle Raincoat Suit with Shoes Cover. SULAITE's raincoat suit stands out for its ultra-thin design and included shoe covers, offering comprehensive protection. Made from a blend of polyester and PU, it's durable and resistant to heavy rain. The suit is available in multiple sizes, ensuring a snug fit for all riders. Its lightweight material makes it easy to carry and wear during unexpected downpours. Pros includes shoe covers, lightweight, durable material. Cons: not as breathable as other options, limited style variety. Number 3. Hero Biker Motorcycle Raincoat Suit for extreme weather. Hero Biker's raincoat is designed for riders who face intense weather conditions. Made from polyester and TPU, this suit provides superior rainstorm protection while remaining comfortable for extended wear. Its versatility makes it suitable for activities like hiking, fishing, and camping, in addition to motorcycle riding. Pros: heavy-duty rain protection, versatile for multiple activities. Cons: bulkier compared to other options. Fewer size options available. Number 2. Men's Rain Suit Waterproof, Reflective Motorcycle Gear. This rain suit is designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, offering lightweight yet durable protection. The reflective features ensure visibility, while the PVC-coated polyester material keeps you dry even in the heaviest rain. Suitable for motorcyclists, hikers, and fishers, it's a great all-rounder for outdoor adventures. Pros: reflective design for safety, lightweight and compact. Cons: limited color options, not as breathable in humid conditions. Number 1. Rainstorm Waterproof Split Motorcycle Jackets and Pants. The ultimate raincoat for riders, this suit is made from a combination of Oxford cloth, TPU, and nylon for exceptional durability and comfort. It's available in multiple colors including black, yellow, and orange, and is designed to handle heavy rain and strong winds. Perfect for motorcyclists, campers, and outdoor adventurers, this set is as versatile as it is reliable. Pros: durable material, stylish design, excellent waterproofing. Cons: slightly heavier than other suits, premium price point.